Hello everybody, in this video we're going to install Oracle Virtualbox on a Windows 10 machine. Alright, let's get going. As a review, Oracle Virtualbox is a hypervisor. So on your computer, you'll install an operating system like Windows 10. And then on top of that, you'll install a hypervisor like Oracle Virtualbox. And the hypervisor is what allows you to run virtual machines. What's a virtual machine? Virtual machine lets you run an operating system on top of software instead of on hardware. And here's what it looks like. On top of this machine running Windows and running Oracle Virtualbox, I can run a real Windows machine and a real Linux machine all at the same time. And they're as real as if I had run them on individual pieces of hardware. With this technology, I can quickly bring up machines, and one big reason I'm going to want to do so is for testing. So there are other good reasons to run virtual machines, but for now, let's get to installing Oracle Virtualbox, which is a hypervisor program that makes this all possible. Oracle Virtualbox is under the GNU license, which means it's free. Alright, so I'm in Windows 10 now, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up my browser. I'm going to do a Google search for Oracle Virtualbox download, and I'm just going to go to the first link it gives me. So this is the Oracle Virtualbox download page right here. If I'd gone to the main Oracle page and I clicked on the downloads in the nav bar, it would take me to this page. But since I'm already here, I can just download the file. For me, I'm running Windows, so I'll download the Windows file. After the file downloads, I'm going to open it up. And the install is really super straightforward. I'm just going to take all of the defaults when I'm installing. During the install, you may see messages like this. Would you like to install this device software? You should always just say install. And this probably shows up about 3 times during the install. And that's pretty much it. Oracle Virtualbox is now installed. In a future video, I'll show you how to install virtual machines on top of Oracle Virtualbox. If this video was useful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.